is the thing. What happens politically in one state will always come knocking at your door and impact you in yours. And that is very much the case with a case that SCOTUS has agreed to hear out of Mississippi. To give you a little bit of background, we're going to just go all the way through the timeline here, is basically the RNC and the Mississippi Libertarian Party decided to sue over an election law, a state election law that had allowed for mail-in ballots to be counted after Election Day. Went in front of the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals, and the court said, you know what, no, you're right, this does not meet whatever their smell test on it was. Now, the Mississippi State AG, despite this, by the way, only impacting Mississippi, Texas, and Louisiana, State AG was like, you know what, going into 2026, there could be some close elections. Mail-in ballots could be the thing that makes the difference. We should know what this impact would be across the country. And why she says that is because in over 30 states across the country, there is a variation on a theme of allowing mail-in ballots to be counted after Election Day. So she wants this court, the federal Supreme Court, to answer the question of whether or not counting mail-in ballots after Election Day is a violation of federal election law. That is the question in which she is posing. But this question comes out of a case that was decided on around a Mississippi state law. So therefore, however this case goes, however the Supreme Court decides to rule on this, Mississippi, a state you might not live in, has impact on what happens in your state and voter access. Alas, there are more details on this particular case in this week's GovHub newsletter in the Legal Beagle section. It is out now, comes out every Tuesday. You can read it at the link in bio, share, subscribe, all of the deeds.